Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a very simple beginner-friendly crochet heart. This is not my own pattern, but there are many different ways to teach the same pattern. So I just thought I would show you on my channel how to make this really simple heart for Valentine's Day or honestly for any day of the year, different crafts and stuff like that. So you're going to obviously need some yarn. This is a really good scrap yarn project, so whatever color you have, red, pink, white, cream, I guess you could do black hearts, whatever kind of color you want to do for your heart. You'll need some yarn. It doesn't matter what the material is. I believe this is just a cheap acrylic yarn, but you can do cotton, you can do anything you want. I just recommend, because it takes up so little amount of yarn, go for the scraps and just use what you already have. There's no need to go out and buy a special type of yarn for this project. This one was done in red, but I have different shades of pink, and I'm going to be using this one for the tutorial. I'm also using a crochet hook. This is a size 4.5 millimeter, and then a pair of scissors. Okay, so to start off, we're going to create a magic ring or magic circle. This is just how I do it. I create an X, but basically we're just trying to make a loop. So lots of different ways to do that. I have a tutorial on my channel as well for how to do that. But we're going to start with a magic ring so that we can create a center. And in the center, we're going to start by chaining 4, and that's gonna be our first treble crochet. Let me just get this a little tighter here. So we're gonna do some trebles, doubles, and chaining. So there's our magic circle. We're gonna chain up the height of a treble, which is 4. And then in the center ring, we're going to place 3 treble crochets for a total of 4. So for those of you who don't know, a treble crochet is similar to a double, but you're looping around an extra time. So we're going to yarn over twice, and then insert your hook in the center, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then 1 more time. So that is 1 treble crochet. So you see we have 3 now, and then we need 1 more. So that first chain 4 counts as our first treble. From here, we're going to put 3 double crochets. So we're not chaining anything in between, just 3 double crochets. So we're going to yarn over, insert, and pull through. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's two doubles so far. We need 3 total, so 1 more. And we're kind of pulling this closed as we go, just to make it easier to manage. From here, we're going to chain 1 and place 1 treble crochet in the center. So we're at the bottom of the heart right now. Chain 1 again, and now we're going to do 3 double crochets, and then I'm going to pause and kind of show you where we're at. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So you can kind of see, like I said, at the bottom part of the heart, we kind of have that first wing on that side. And then the bottom, that center, so that treble crochet that we did is surrounded by 1 chain each. So that's kind of what makes it that center on the bottom. Coming back up around, we're repeating what we did over here, but we're going back up and around. So we're starting with the double crochets and then finishing with the trebles. So we did chain, treble, chain, 3 double crochets, and now we're going to finish with 4 trebles. So there's 1, 2, 3, and our last treble. And all we have to do now is close this gap, and we're going to finish with a slip stitch because we have to connect the side with the beginning. The way I do that is, you can really go anywhere. You can actually slip stitch in the center. Let's just go right through that center. I'm slip stitching right in the middle. And pull up and see what, yeah, that looks better because it's more cinched that way. And you have your tail in the back. You're gonna pull the center closed. And let's finish off our working strand. And what I like to do, let's see this one here. So what I like to do is I just pull that loop right through to tie a knot. And there you have your heart shape. From here, you can tie these off together. You can use this to create a keychain. That's one way to use the strands without cutting them off. I think for mine, what I'm going to do, I pulled it through the back side. I kind of pulled that down. And I'm actually going to put this on a Valentine's Day card, and this is going to be a heart-shaped balloon. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this easy, fun heart, crochet heart pattern. As I said, it is not my own pattern, but I hope it was easy to follow, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!